Hello guys, what is up? Vito Magnus here and welcome to my first HTML for beginners tutorial. This episode we're hopefully going to get through how to add a title and how to add pretty much lines of text, paragraphs. We'll get into it as we go. Hopefully I'll be able to explain it all as we go along. But before we start, I do want to recommend to you this program called Notepad++. It's pretty much a step up from Notepad in code writing terms. This is the thing that I use. It's probably the best code writing thing I've found program. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys in Notepad because it's free, everyone has it, and it's, I won't say easy to use, but it's usable. So to start off, you've got to do your less than sign, exclamation mark, document in capital letters, space HTML, and then you close it with your more than sign, and then you press enter. You do your little open with your less than sign again, type HTML, and then close that and enter again. At this point, I highly suggest to you that you save it. So as you see, I have already saved it as YouTube. So I'm going to call it youtube.html, and then I'm going to change this to all files, so it's not saving it as a text document. And this, yes, I'm going to overwrite that. So now, when I click on my documents where I saved it and open it up, here it is. Here's your blank page, your blank slate, and that's what you're going to be editing. So to add a title, and for those of you guys that don't know, your title isn't the thing in the middle of the page here. It's actually this tag up here and up here. It's actually a really good thing to use to quickly summarize what's on that tab, and it's quite an effective tool really. So what you want to do, your less than sign and type head, then close it. And now you can just carry on writing on this line, so you can open it, title, blah 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 blah. But I like to keep all my coding neat so I can see where I've done a mistake, if I have, which I highly doubt, but I may have. Everyone makes mistakes. So you open it and type title, close it again, and then you type what you want to be as your title. So for my title, actually no, I'm going to call it tutorial, and then I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to do / title, and then close it, and then I'm going to go on to a new line to keep it all neat, open, / head, and then close it. Now for those of you observant ones out there, you'll see that every command is being closed. The head is being closed here with the / and then the word pretty much means that's the end of it. There's nothing more coming next, and then that ends it. So then you can click save, you can go back onto it, hit refresh, and look, the title has changed to tutorial now. Now if we go back onto Notepad, check for time, we've got plenty of time, and this time we're going to add some main text. So we're going to do the open, well, less than sign, body, and then close that, enter, because don't forget we want to keep it neat, and type what you want to put. So I'm going to put, hey guys, hope you're finding this useful. Here you can put whatever you want, it's completely up to you. And then you click file, save, and then see, yeah, and it's come up. Oh god, sorry about that. The text is now there, but as a good practice, you should always put open / body, and then close that, and then a new line, open / HTML, and then close that, because that just means that it's all going to be closed up and finished by the time you get to the end, which is extremely useful. Now, most people right now would just press enter and put and start writing on the new line. For example, they'd put this is the next line, but unfortunately web browsers do not read the code like that. They read it how it's put, like, pretty much in Notepad, and this is how they put it all on the same line. So for those of you who want to add the new lines, you have to add things called new paragraphs. So you do it with the open P, and then you put the close, and then at the end of that you put open / P and close it. This is just to mean that the paragraph is in fact finished, and then you save it. You can go back to this now and look, it's on the new line, because if you don't add this /p here at the end, when you come to save it, when you refresh, it's still on the same line, because it instantly thinks that this line is involved with this one, which we don't want. So then you close this line, /p, and then close it, and then hit file, hit save, done. Bob's your uncle, it's on a new line. And just quickly, I'm going to add a little explanation in how to add a different sort of line break. So I'm going to put here different line break in a different part of text. And to do this line break, you do the open left-hand sign, BR space /, and then you close it. Now the reason for this is because it's actually closing itself after the BR, because it's not carrying on onto the next line. So you hit file, you hit save, you go back onto your browser, and look, it's actually a shorter break. But when we get into the more advanced tutorials, I'll show you guys how to make it so the gap in between these two lines is shorter. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been useful. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Hopefully be doing another HTML tutorial every single day of the week. So yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe, like and comment button if you have any questions or any problems. Bye guys.